In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy on eBay with credit card. First, head to the eBay homepage and find the product you want. You can type what you're looking for into the search bar or browse categories if you're exploring. Use filters like condition, price range, item location, and delivery time to narrow things down. When a listing catches your eye, open it and take a moment to read the full description from top to bottom. Check the item's condition notes, included accessories, sizing details if applicable, and any warranty or return information. Look closely at all photos, zooming in for wear or defects on pre-owned items. Next, review the seller's feedback score and recent reviews to make sure they're reputable. Finally, look at shipping costs, estimated delivery dates, and any taxes so you know the total before moving forward. When you're confident this is the right item, choose Buy It Now on the listing page. This option choice is perfect when you don't want to bid or wait. Buy It Now takes you straight to the checkout flow with the price shown. If the listing has options like size or color, make sure you select the correct variation before continuing. At checkout, you'll see your order summary, shipping address, and payment options. This is where you'll add your credit card. Look for the payment section and select Add New Card. You should be on a secure eBay checkout page. Check for the padlock in your browser's address bar and confirm the web address starts with HTTPS. While you're here, it's a good time to confirm your shipping details are correct, since your delivery estimate is based on that address. Now enter your credit card details carefully. Type the card number, expiration date, and the security code on the back or front of your card, depending on the type. Add the billing address exactly as it appears on your card statements. Matching the name and postal code helps prevent declines. If you see an option to save the card for future purchases, choose what you're comfortable with. Saving it speeds up checkout next time, but you can always skip it if you prefer entering details manually. Double check every field for typos before you proceed. eBay encrypts this information to keep it secure, and accurate details help ensure a smooth checkout experience. That's all there is to it. Pick the right product, choose Buy It Now, select, add new card at checkout, and enter your card details. Thanks for watching and happy shopping on eBay.